मतलब जनता बिल्कुल मूक बधिर हो गई है, किसी के पास कुछ भी नहीं बचा है, किसी के पास भी। लाइक ओपनली कोई भी किसी को मार पीट सकता है और साइड वाले लोग ऐसे ही देखते रहेंगे और उनके लिए वो गेम होगा। इट्स नॉट फेयर एट ऑल। And basically media is not here. Obviously media is not here. Media is propaganda only, state propaganda. So what's happening right now is this guy, see, now they are blinking at me only. So now they want to talk to me because they are more interested in the guy who got bitten rather than the guys who were actually the culprit. Because maybe their skin color, maybe something else, who knows. Everything is there. Race, standard of living, money, so many factors. तो भाई अब तो आरंभ है, प्रचंड करना ही पड़ेगा। मतलब शिवा की जरूरत है, समझ रहे हो? शिवा इज नीडेड, सम एग्रेशन इन द अर्थ. बुद्धा इज नॉट एनफ नाउ. Peace is not enough because the other side is not peaceful at all, and they don't care about peace at all. It's like free for all. Oh my God. Now I can actually justify my story. How I became God, basically. Now I have a story. So I needed this fight. I was thinking it will be some like bullet or something. Like somebody will shoot at me and it will be like life and death situation and I will survive. And then I will show that I am God, that I cannot be killed. But yeah, it has to be this way. More simpler way, like rather than a bullet. What kind of country we're living in, man? It's lunatics. People are seriously lunatics. They are not human beings at all. Let's see what happens. Live, I'm showcasing you the entire drama. Mostly the police won't do anything. I know. Because they don't care. You know, they are powerful enough. So these people basically, they have never felt on the other side. I mean, they have never been on the weaker side of the spectrum. You understand? So because of that, they obviously their life is good. So Buddha's first noble truth is not valid for them. Like the first noble truth is life is suffering. For them it is not, because they are toying with the world. But they are doing whatever they are doing. So now a car has come and parked in the parking lot. Maybe this is the end of their life. Who knows? I did well. I lived honestly, truthfully. Never did anything anyone any bad. I lived like Jesus. He died too. I have no problem in dying. So now the good people are here. The other party, police party. You can see them, yeah.
Come here for a second.
No, I'm recording you, don't worry. Why should I come there?
You want to give us your name?
My name is Christ Father.
Christ Father.
Yes.
You don't want to? No? Okay.
Who is the father of Christ? Jesus Christ. Do you know the name?
Bye.
Goodbye. What did you do that to that guys? Racist people? Don't worry. Jesus Christ, Father, is here. And he won't die. Everyone will be judged. Everyone. So this is my in story to come in as a god. Let's see how my story fares. So a lot of people have come like and claiming like they are the father of Jesus Christ. They are the Kalki Avatar. They are this. They are that. They are the next Krishna. They are that. Now this is my entry. My entry is non-glamorous. It's for fighting for the poor, fighting for the feminine. Fucking like, I just want to defeat evil in this world. truth has to win. Nobody should be afraid of saying truth. Nobody. Let's say, how does that fight fare? I mean, a lot of big people have come and died. I mean, Marx came. So many people have come and died. Let's see. This is my claim. Not to fame. I don't want fame. I just want this awareness in people, like God can exist. Because that awareness is enough. They will be free. Basically, they will be enlightened. And once people are enlightened, they will themselves know their position in life, like what they have to do in life. I said the truth even in that fight. I am very surprised how calm I am in my life, seriously. I am bleeding from everywhere and I was so calm. And that was the same calm I was when I crossed the traffic. Like right in the middle of anywhere. I was like, okay, God is saying cross the traffic, cross the traffic. At the frequency I am thinking, my energy should be enough. If it is not enough, then I am not the one. I mean, I'm very honest about it. Because God always works in mysterious ways. If God works in ways which human can understand, then there won't be magic, there won't be God. So the seed has already been sown. It's the fruit. Time for the fruit. This is the time of the fruit. Now it's too late. You cannot cut the tree now. It's too late. They will be haunted today. Those guys who fight for me. Whether they see hell or heaven in their mind depends on their intention. So in the old war of Mahabharata also, there were a lot of people who fight on like different sides. So like Bhishma Pitama, who was the grandfather, okay, there was the entire clan. He was the oldest, like grandfather. So he fought on Kaurava's side. And what was his intention of fighting on Kaurava's side? That matters, right? Was he fighting just because he thinks those are the legitimate heir to the throne? Or there is some other reason? Or he just enjoys his kind of position in the cabinet? It's like what Trudeau does in Canada, whether he is racist or not, whether he would raise the voice for an Indian person getting beaten in Toronto, right in the middle of anywhere, whether he does something or not, it's based on his character, and that will be part of his karma. Ignorance is not a factor here. Because knowing God is not a factor of ignorance. Anybody can know God. I mean, Jesus Christ came, everybody came, they told you how to reach God. There are so many techniques and everything. Everybody is karma. Everybody is playing a part in the story, but they are not playing their part honestly. So like police is not honestly playing the part of police. Police is bribed. Police care more for the strong people, for the white people, for certain section in society than for the other section in the society. So they are not according to the dharma. Like in Buddhist it is dhamma. In Hinduism it is dharma, which is Krishna told. Like basically dharma is how people should live. And it's not a written code like constitution or something, but it's a indirect way of telling like this is how you should live life. And those people who reach enlightenment, who reach God, who knows what is God, who knows about who are they, who knows what is this universe, any of these questions, if they can answer in their mind, they will understand what God is.